Would you like to explain what we are about to do?
Okay, we're gonna drag the lovely Dan. Here, come with me, follow me, and I'll introduce you to Dan. This is Dan. Dan and I have a very loving relationship. I ripped his face off before.
With a
Video
hammer.
here. And we're gonna tie Dan, the beautiful Dan, to this car that's coming down the driveway now. And we're gonna lovingly drag him behind until he burns. Oh, ha, ha, ha. No, so you can cut that, please. So yes, this is Dan. This is Dan's foe. Let's see how it goes. Ready and fight. Hi, Thomas.
Hello.
Okay, let's get.
No, you're fine, you're fine.
This is probably out of focus, I apologise. Ah! So Dan's looking pretty beaten up right now. I mean, we've got got a nice scratch, got some dents. You're looking good, Dan. Looking good.
Go for it.
It's gonna hurt.
Okay, we've lost the microwave. It's gone. Oh, look. You went around the corner.
And it just like flew.
In there. Just lifted itself. I thought that's my number. Oh.
It's beautiful.
One thing I want to see. There it is.
Oh, Dan.
Okay, no, that helps. I swear it hit this post. I think that's what. Because it went like that. Then
It kind of like almost jackknifed. It was amazing.
I just saw part of it in my mirror. I was like, oh.
We're gonna time back on.
No, I think
Oh, come on.
Do you think your parents would notice if we left it there?
yes.
They're gonna notice the dodgy scratch marks all the way down the driveway.
Yeah, what's.
Just say that was a truck, yes. Oh God, we really did. Microwave destroyed. Happy?
Ah, I think it'll still work.
Well, I'll plug
There's
it
our
in now.
bonus footage.
Pardon?
That's the bonus footage.
I'm not plugging it in. Look at that cable.
So Thomas, we were just looking at Dan, right? And there's a sticker that says, warning, microwave... Oh, have you not got autofocus? Oh. It says, warning, microwave energy. Do not remove this cover. So we didn't remove it, we just kind of warped it a little bit. But isn't he beautiful? Oh, Dan.
See, this is where Scouts comes in.
I'm just casually sitting in the back of the car, waiting for them to finish being idiots.
Hey, honey.
That's not a tow rope, Hayden.
That's a good rope of ours as well. I got the other one.
That's not a tow rope.
They broke the rope.
He broke the rope because he tried it to using muscle and he realised there was none.
Triumphant Tom has broken the rope. I don't understand what he just said.
I broke the rope because I tried to.
Anyway.
But I don't know.
Oh, focus. Yay.